Hello there. Today we have a small form factor motherboard, of which I have an i5 6500 to go in this, and 16 gigabytes of 2133 16 gigabytes of DDR4. Checking that the board is all okay before I actually do anything with it. So there's no point of actually putting it all together and then finding out something's not working. There we are. So it's initially booted up. And the 16 gigabytes of DDR4 is being found. So that's all working. And the i5 6500, sorry. So I'm going to pair this with an RX 462 gigabytes. At the moment, you can't get hold of a decent graphics card for less than 300 maybe. I believe the 1050 Ti's are going for around £200 at the moment. I got this 460 for £60 plus £4 shipping, because it actually has the power connector on the board is actually broken. I could fix this if I wanted to, but at the moment it's running off external power and it's absolutely fine. It has got a aftermarket cooler on it, so this actually keeps it nice and cool, cooler than the one that are usually on there. So I'm just leaving this on, and it's got a different connector anyway, so and as it's a 2-pin, it still won't, MSI or any other controller still won't change the fan speeds. Still won't change the fan speeds, so I might as well just leave it on the power supply. And again, everything's firing up okay. I do have a very small form factor case to put this in, so I am unsure whether the actual card will fit in it. I think it's going to hit the side. So I do have a 1030 that I may put that in instead, but we'll see when I get to the case. Okay, so here is a small case that I'm going to put the motherboard in. It's not quite a shuttle case, but it's very small. So there we are, there's the power supply. So motherboard's going to fit in there. Okay, and the graphics card there, so looking at it, that is not going to fit in there. The 460 that I was originally going to put with that is not going to fit, so I'll be using the GT1030. This just needs a little clean up and then I will fit it all together. Okay, so here we have the GT1030 that is going on this motherboard here. So I'm just going to take the fan off and just check the thermal paste underneath. And this is not got any dust on it, it's a fairly new card. It actually did come out of the case I'm putting it back into, which had an integrated E1350 APU in it, which is a dual core but very slow and would not play games. So I'm swapping it out for this because it'll make a nice little case, I think. Okay, as you can see there, I have now put a fan case in as well, because obviously this is a very small, compact case, and the thermals are probably going to be very high.
Targets left. One left now. Defusing. Nice job. They're all dead.
Where the hell's he going? There isn't shit out of here but a bunch of freaks.
Well, maybe I was wrong about him having to deal with Copeland.
No, Leon's been fencing shit to Copeland for a long time. Finally caught up with him.
Hey, wait.
He came down from heaven and gave me
What is that? Take the wheel.
Hey, move, fool!
Lord, it's the same old tune, fiddle and guitar.
Hey, keep moving!
Reed,
Yeah, I know.
you guys kicked Mussolini's ass, right?
Sort of. We had a little help from a guy named Don Carlo.
No shit. Don Colo. I heard of him.
Really?
You bet. I know guys like him over here. Wise guys. You work for them, you're set. You're